Hey everybody, how are you? Happy Monday. How are you today? It's Gregor Baird of Gregor Speaks, and just came on here to pop on here for a few minutes and just have a little chat on a Monday, and I hope things are good. Hope your weekend was good. Fairly low key here, not a lot going on. Got a big event coming in my life a week from Wednesday. I'm going to Palm Springs. I know I brought it up before, don't shoot me, but looking forward to it. Looking forward to the time away. Can't wait. Monday, it's beautiful out. You probably can see the sun's coming through my window. It's gorgeous outside, a little windy. Got to go and work out at Planet Fitness and get my steps in. Got a lot of work to do so far this morning. Oh my goodness, a lot of correspondence and stuff for future lectures and things like that. So I appreciate people reaching out, and also people reaching out and asking me how I'm doing because of all the anti-LGBTQ+ referendums and the DEI stuff. Oh, I could go on forever. So I'm treading right now above water, and with my lecture program, I'm looking for work in April and May and and June for Pride Month. So that's what's going on. But it's the last week of March. Looking forward to seeing what's going to happen in April and new beginnings. Let's say that. Along with new beginnings, we just got into spring, and I put these flowers on my table. Yeah, see the little bunny here? Yeah, my best friend made this little basket for me. It's kind of cute. So it's sitting on the table. My flowers are looking a little. I got to show you this thing. They're looking like they're going to last maybe another day or so. But these are daffodils, and I put them on the table every spring. I usually go through a couple bunches of them. I love them. It's spring to me. So, and Easter's around the corner. And speaking of Easter around the corner, I'm going to do my inappropriate Easter pictures, which is all about the bunnies and stuff. Starting, I believe, I'm doing it on April 10th, and that's coming up soon. So, I know many of you look forward to that. It's a little sense of humor. So what can I say? Podcasts and lectures are going on this week, and that's about it. Got to get my hairs did. Yeah, I know I'm thinning up on top. I hate it. Gonna get that cut on Friday, and I got to pull the suitcase out and dust it up and get ready to go for next Wednesday. So wherever you're at, whatever you're doing, I hope it's a great day ahead. I hope you're kind to one another. Take a break from all the news and be inclusive. That's all we can do, right? Do something good for yourself today, and I will see you on Wednesday. Take care, everybody. Bye.